Hello everybody, welcome to our channel 1-2 Step. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can change or use text-to-speech feature on TikTok. If you want to learn more about that, please do watch this video till the end. If you're new to our channel 1-2 Step, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you do not miss any update from us. So let's get started. You will open your TikTok app and then you will create a new video. So you'll click on the plus icon over here in the middle at the bottom, and now you'll record a video. So let's record a video right now. So once you do that, you'll click on the tick button over here, and now you want to add a text. So you will click on the text option at the top right, and then let's type up a text. Hey, this is 1-2 Step. So once you do that, you'll click on this text again, and at the top you can see text to speech option. So you will click on text to speech.
Hey, this is 1-2 Step.
So this works. This is how you convert your
This is 1-2 Step.
text to speech. This is how you use the feature on TikTok. I hope this video helped you. Again, if you've not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing because we'll be uploading more of these TikTok how-to series. So that's it, guys. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Bye.